That's Lindsay Davis reporting for ABC News. How cute was she? My goodness, let's get a check of that forecast for your morning, but I may have to go online and learn a little bit more about that young lady there, a World War II pilot.
I know. I was thinking the exact same thing, Christian. And as we go through the rest of today, we are definitely going to be dealing with some windy conditions, especially this morning. That's what we have out there. We're picking up where we left off really last evening. We had a wind advisory, but that's been canceled. So last evening, we had those gusts up to about 50 miles an hour. Today, those gusts will go up to about 30, 35 miles an hour. I'll show you that in a matter of moments. But we can see already those winds sustained out of the northwest this morning up to about 25 miles an hour. So a breezy, gusty start to the day. There's that gust forecast. So as we go into 9 o'clock, we're looking at those gusts up to about 35 miles an hour. And then as we go more towards the evening time frame, we'll start to trail the numbers off just a little bit, but it still will be a bit breezy out there. And even as we head towards tomorrow, breezy, but just not as breezy and gusty as today. So we are looking up, and also tomorrow, much warmer. But not getting ahead of myself quite yet. We have the temperatures this morning. Yes, we are above average. So our lows now for this time of the year, 37 degrees. We do see 40s pretty much across the map unless you're headed over towards Western Maryland where it's much colder, but it's more seasonal out there. So Deep Creek coming in at 30 degrees. It is cold. 38 in Frostburg this morning. And this is what we have because of the winds. We have a wind chill. So the wind is making it feel like the temperature should be now for this time of the year. So dress for the numbers in the upper 30s and the mid 30s this morning. And if you don't, I will tell you it will be a shock because you guys have been used to temperatures much warmer. And even as we go into the afternoon, you've been used to temperatures in the 70s. That is not going to be the case today. We're not even going to be dealing with temperatures in the 60s today. We're headed back to seasonal levels right around 58 degrees. We will have lots of sunshine. We are starting to really clear things up as we go through this morning as high pressure continues to build in. You can see that cold front well off into the Atlantic as of now. That's the one that passed through yesterday and brought us that severe weather. We actually did even have tornado warning across the area yesterday. So we are much more calm in that department. So that's some good news as high pressure continues for today. And then even as we go into your tomorrow, we will have high pressure, but it continues to scoot on off towards the east, so we will get more of a return flow. So that's why temperatures will bump up into the 60s, mid to upper 60s tomorrow. So it's going to feel pretty good out there. The next chance for the rain comes in here as we head into your Wednesday, and then we are headed back down behind that cold front. It's going to get cold, chilly out there. I'll show you that in a second. But once again, for today, going with the mid to upper 50s, there the mid to upper 60s as we head into your tomorrow. And then as we work our way into the tail end of the work week, that's when we start to head into the 40s, guys. But the good news is, don't get down yet. As we head into the weekend, temperatures will bump back up, and Easter looks pretty good right now. Lots of sunshine and temperatures in the mid 60s. Let's get a check of the traffic with Lauren.